Hi, I'm going to go through a few of these TV series. The TV series are treated differently than movies. They're slightly harder and they're anywhere from 2 cents to 10 cents depending on the number of episodes there are. Okay, so we'll start with a simple one and we'll progressively get harder. So this is for the TV series Bones. For the TV series, we're going to enter in the IMDb series link, and if it's not there, we're going to say that it doesn't exist. And I'm going to start by just doing a Google search for it. Okay. And here we're giving the IMDb TV series URL. So this page must say either TV series or TV miniseries here. So see where it says TV series. This looks fine, but let's say, for example, I was on, in this case, a season page, an episode page. See, it says TV episode. So we only want to have TV series for the first one. Okay, TV series, we're going to use this one. Okay, the second part of 3 is we're going to enter in what season or collection it is. In this case, it says Bones Season 1, and it is, there's a question right here which asks whether it's a compilation. And here are some examples of compilations. A compilation basically just means that it's a collection of seasons. For example, if it's Bones seasons 1 through 10, we wouldn't be able to give a season number because it's multiple seasons. But in this case, it's Bones season 1, so it's not a compilation. Okay, so once we're on the TV series page, once again, TV series, the seasons are right here. So we're going to click season 1, okay, and this URL right here is the season page. Another way, if we're looking for season 4, we go to season 4, season 5, etc. And if we need to go back to the series page from the season page, so we want to go from season 1 to the Bones series page, we click that link at the top. Okay, so this is Bones season 1. We're going to enter that, and now we're going to enter the episodes. So this is much quicker than the other ones because it should be on the same page usually. So here we have the pilot. So you can either click that and copy and paste the URL, or what I like to do, and which is much faster, you can right click and copy link address. So the man in the SUV, that's the URL. The boy in the tree, that's the URL. Oops. And for each one, we're also going to need to say the content type. 95% of the time, it's going to be a TV series. The reason we have to select it for each one instead of just doing one drop down for everything is that sometimes it's possible that they'll mix things in. So they'll have promotional content in a series, or maybe they'll have a movie mixed with episodes. So, but in this case, these are all in season 1, so we're going to select TV series, for the content type. And then once I go through all of these and enter in the IMDb URLs for all of those, there's going to be a little submit button that shows at the bottom, and I'll click submit. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Actually, here's an example of a compilation. So this is The Office, and there are actually two versions of The Office, so we'll see which one this is. This looks like it's the Steve Carell version. We could also do an image search on Google to make sure. So it's telling me that it's The Office. It looks like it's from season 4. And I'm gonna go here and find the series page. So I'll enter in the series, and then the seasons. This says seasons 4 through 6, so it's a multi-season compilation. So I'm going to say yes, and once you say it's a yes, you obviously don't have to put in a season. And then I would do the exact same thing again. This has 3 seasons in it. So first I'd go to season 4, and right here we see seasons number 4, and then so Fun Run parts 1 and 2. It's a TV series, Dunder Mifflin Infinity, right here. And I do that for every single one. Also, one thing is if you're on the TV episode page, you know that because it says TV episode. And if you ever need to get back to the series page or season page, you click the TV show's name, so The Office. It's going to be right at the top. So I click The Office, and if I need to go to the seasons page, I click the seasons. So these 3 pages kind of cycle around, and it's very useful to know how to get from one to the other. Okay, so here's an example of a compilation. The next one I'm going to do is this Escape to Chimp Eden. Okay, Escape to Chimp Eden. I'm going to search it on IMDb. And we found the TV series page right here. And so we're going to copy that. See, once again, it says TV series, so we know it's the right page. Okay. Now it says season 2, right? But this doesn't have a season 2. It only has seasons unknown. So it's common in lesser known shows that they're not going to have the season. So in this one, it's not a compilation, and there's no season page. And we'll search for the episode pages anyways. Some will be there, some won't. So let's see if Tony's Brush with Death is this one right here. So even though there's no season page for this, some of these items are going to have episode pages. I imagine because it doesn't look like everything has been added here, some of them might be no URL exists. But the good news here is that a lot of the episodes do exist, and we can enter in the episode pages here. Okay. The next one is, let's do this one next. This will show you how sometimes the content type can change. So here's for a TV series called The Naked Brothers Band. And we found the TV series page. Just to confirm, it says TV series right here. So that's the TV series URL. Naked Brother Band's Season 1. So it's not a compilation. And we see that it does have the Season 1 page. We'll enter that. Okay, now see how there are just lots of episodes here, and here there are only about 12. So this is where the content type comes in handy. So the first one is called VMAs. So we get that link and we add it to VMAs. The second one is called The Wolf Brothers Cry. Wolf Brothers Cry Wolf, and it's right here. Now these 2 episodes, actually these 3 episodes, aren't real episodes. They're not listed on IMDb. It's probably just promotional content. This says that it's a music video, so they're not real episodes. So we're going to say that it doesn't exist, no URL exists, and that it's a promotional. Basically, it's promoting the episodes, but it's not a real episode. Here are 3 more examples of the webisode and 2 music videos. So this is a TV series, promotional, and Fishing for Love right here. And TV series exists, and we'd go down the whole thing and we'd be able to find all the episodes. Okay, finally, we're going to do one non-TV series, but it does have episodes. You can see it has a bunch of episodes, even though it's WrestleMania 30, which is just, a wrestling event. It's a sporting event, and they broke it down into episodes. So we're going to search, and it comes up as a TV movie. Now, because it says movie and not, it doesn't have TV series at the top, we say that the TV series doesn't exist on IMDb. So we get rid of that. The second part of this is WWE WrestleMania 30 as a season or collection. And this makes a little bit more sense because WWE WrestleMania is on IMDb right here. And it's not a compilation because it's not a TV series. But we're going to add this IMDb URL at the collection level because it's a collection of a bunch of these episodes. So all these items right here, which are really part of the event, so maybe you have a bunch of different fights, they go into the collection, and these items right here, they don't have an IMDb URL because they're all contained within this item right here, this collection that does get the IMDb URL. So one more time, just to summarize this, because it is a little tricky, although it's a very rare case, it shouldn't come up that much. Because it doesn't say TV series on IMDb, even though it has this name right here, we say that it doesn't exist. Now, we add it under the collection, or the season item, because it contains multiple episodes in it, and none of these episodes right here have IMDb URLs. It's basically just this collection, which acts as a season, and it contains these fights within it.